Right. Today's session is what related to time, distance, and speed. Time, distance, and speed. Now let us see that basic information related to this. We are unable to. Basic structure is equal. Distance is equals to speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time, and speed is equals to distance by time. This is the basic information. Sometimes this formulas may not applicable. That's a different fact. That is distance by speed. This is a very basic. This is important. And kilometer per hour to meters per second conversion. X kilometers per hour into 5 by 18. X kilometer per hour, so then it will comes to meters per second. And X meters per second converting to kilometers per hour. So reversing the fraction, X meters per second into 18 by 5. You will get that. This is the kilometer per hour. This is general information. This is sometimes this formula may not applicable certain question. That's a different fact. But in general, we have to look at it. These things. Out of a distance, speed, and time, two things are given. Only one thing is being asked. If two things are not given, we cannot arrive to the conclusion of choosing an option. Time is required, distance is required to know the speed. So any two is definitely we need to know that. Out of three, two should be given, one is to be found. Yes. Next, this is the one. And so next you can see the 5 by 18, how it will happen. 5 by 18 means, see that kilometer per hour to meters per second. It means converting meters, kilometer, kilo means 1000, kilo means 1000 by hour 60 seconds. This is 60 minutes. Now into 60 seconds. That's how it can be done. So 1000 by 3600, 20 gets cancelled. That's why simplify you get 5 by 18. Just like that. Now I can see reversing the fraction. That's and next relative speed. Relative speed. Relative speed. What is relative speed? If the two persons are walking in the same direction, difference of speed should be taken. Say for example, I am walking at 3 kilometers per hour, you are walking at 4 kilometers per hour in the same direction. What is the difference between you and me in 1 hour? You are walking at 4 kilometers per hour, 1 kilometer. It means difference of speeds, right? That is the thing. Like same difference of speeds, same direction. Same direction. If you both people are walking same direction, so is equals to difference of speeds. Difference of speeds. In the opposite direction, say for example, you are coming from Tumkur, I am starting from Bangalore. You are coming at 40 kilometers per hour, I am traveling at 50 kilometers per hour. Then in 1 hour, where we would be I am traveling at 40 kilometers, you are traveling at 30 kilometers. 30 you are reduced the total distance. I am reduced from Bangalore to 40. 40 plus 70 is reduced from total distance. So that's why sum of speeds. Opposite direction. Opposite direction.
Which means we will meet at 30 kilometers.
No, that depends on distance. If the distance is 60 kilometers, if the distance is 100 kilometers, let us say from Bangalore to Tumkur is 100 kilometers. You are traveling at 60 kilometers per hour. I am traveling at 40 kilometers per hour. Then 1 hour I reach the destination called 40th mile, 40 kilometers. You are coming 60 kilometers. We are meeting together there. That is the thing. So for example, you are
from the point of Tumkur, we will meet at 60 kilometers.
In 1 hour you are coming 60 kilometers. In 1 hour my speed is 40 kilometers. We are meeting together there. So for example, the question is asked, both of us traveling in opposite direction. You are traveling at 70 kilometers per hour, but where we need to meet in 1 hour, what is opposite person has to travel? 30 kilometers per hour. It's like that. Okay, that's the sum of speeds. When the opposite direction is what? Sum of speeds. This is the sum of speeds. This is relative speed. Okay, so same direction is a difference of speeds. Opposite direction, sum of speeds. Questions will be vary from that to sometimes very odd questions also.
If both are traveling at same speed, 70. At what kilometer they meet?
Yeah, that is you are traveling because that depends the distance given.
100.
Is 100 means you are 100 is not 70 is not required.
Yes, sir. I am also from Tumkur traveling from 70 kilometers.
Yes.
You are also from Bangalore traveling 70 kilometers.
Yes.
Speed. At what distance they will meet? Exactly.
Actually, if you sum of the speeds, what happened? 140. Actually, distance is only 100.
Yes,
it means what? 140 means you are traveling excess more than the requirement. 40. You have to reduce space 50.
Sir, but we should meet now, sir.
Yes, that's correct.
70 also.
Okay.
At one point we will meet now, sir.
You are meeting at 70. See that you are traveling at 1 hour, but how much time we take? That's what. Because 70, 140 kilometers per hour. But 1 hour means
we can't say exact.
Exact that is. You can calculate it. But now this is the only thing is basic speeds. This is okay. After that again you need to sit and calculate. What's the distance you are traveling per hour? But distance is given. Distance should be given. Distance is 100 kilometers, less than 100 kilometers, more than 100 kilometers, we do not know. That is we have to see. Again decimals will start. Okay, yes. And this is the relative speed that is. This is the one thing. So another thing is one more application here is that instead of writing that sentence, I write the formula 2xy by x plus y. It is better for us to know the formula forever. 2xy by x plus y. And when this is possible is that when two distances are equal, when two distances are equal with two different speeds, this is applicable. See, when two distances are equal, distance 1 and distance 2 is to same. It means distance 1 is equal to distance 2. That's it. Distance 1 is equal to distance 2. Then this formula is applicable. And this is the one. For example, from here to Tumkur, this is the starting point. So this is starting point A and this end point is V. Two equal distances. From here to here is a 50 kilometer and from here to here is the 50 kilometer. This is like 5 kilometer, like 10 kilometer per hour, this speed, and this is 15 kilometer per hour. Then 2xy by x plus y should be applicable. Two equal distances. This is the one way. So another point is that from here to Tumkur we go, this is the 100 kilometer. The distance is what? 100 kilometer. While going 10 kilometer per hour, while returning 15 kilometer per hour. Even, so distance is same. This is the distance 1 is equals to distance 2. So there are two equal distances, going and returning. Going with the speed of 10 km per hour, returning at the speed of 15 km, then 2xy by xy is applicable. It means that is the basic structure that is a theorem, actually the theorem based thing. That's why we need to note this point forever. Other things mentally we can finish it up. This is next one. This is the one. Another same. When three equal distances, what would be the formula for that? Three equal. 3xyz by xy plus yz plus zx. So this is for three equal distances. Three equal distances. Distances with three different speeds. This is applicable. These two things you need to remember for every time, because this is only formulas you need to apply here.
Zx.
Zx. Okay, that is the thing. Right. This is the thing. 2xy plus x plus y and 3xyz by xy, like that. Even 4 distance also it will come, but questions will not come to that matter. That is the thing. Even this is also will not happen, but we do not know. But sometimes you may not know the formula, means they will put this statement 1 is required, statement 2 is required, like that it may be asked like that. Yes. Next. So relative speed is basic input is no. Conversion of kilometer to meters per second, from meters per second to kilometer per hour. Now here length, the always distance can be considered as, distance is considered as length of the train. Length of train is also can be considered as like length of train and length of the bridge. Length of the bridge or length of the tunnel. Length of tunnel. Right. The length of platform. Length of the platform is also can be considered as distance, because that is a person, it cannot be considered as distance, that is. These are the things. And next you can see, we'll move on to the solving the question. Right now,
First question is
question number 1.
back side is no.
A car travels, because these are the example questions that is taken based on the formula, that is. A car travels 1/3 of a certain distance. A car travels 1/3 of the distance. See that? 1/3 of the distance. So what we need to note the points. A car travels. Traveling is okay. That we need not to underline any word there. 1/3 of the certain distance. Certain distance means certain means distance is not given in the question. How? Certain distance, certain, we do not know, some distance, maybe 1 kilometer, maybe 10 kilometer, 100 kilometers, you can assume whatever number you want. 1/3 of the certain distance is not given. With the speed of 10 kilometer per hour. Okay, 1/3, 10 kilometer per hour. The next 1/3, okay, next 1/3 with the speed of 20 kilometers per hour, and the last 1/3 of the distance with the 60 kilometer per hour. The average speed of the car for whole journey is now 3 equal distances. 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3 is equal to what? 1. So 3 equal distances with 3 different speeds. Then you have to apply the formula 3xyz by xy plus yz plus zx. If you look at the question properly, to make ourselves understand better, means we can draw like this: 1, 2, 3. This is the 1/3, this is 1/3, this is 1/3. Distance is known as 1. 3 parts are done. So 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. Different speeds are there. 10 kilometers per hour, and this is 20 kilometers per hour, and 16.
60.
Yes. 60 kilometers per hour, like that. Now we can say apply the formula is what? 3 into xyz, 10 into 20 into 60 by xy. Xy means what? 10 into 20. 10 into 20 plus yz, 20 into 60 plus zx. Zx means what? 60 into 10. 60 into 10. Right. Now we can see one more step. Let us take 3 into 10 into 20 into 60, 200, okay, plus 1200 plus 600. Let us take one more step for this. Now 3 into 10 into 20 into 60, whole divided by 12 plus 2, 400, 400 plus 6, 2000. Right. 3 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3. Zeros, all zeros gets cancelled here. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. What is the thing? 2 into 6, 18. What is the speed then? 18 kilometer per hour. 18 kilometer per hour. Option A is like that. Now, a 240 meter long train crosses the platform twice its length in 40 seconds. Time is given 40 seconds. A 240 meter long train, this is the length of the train, crosses a platform of twice its length. Twice. It means 240 into 2, like that. What is the time? What is the speed of the train? Speed for train issue is what? Distance by time. Right. What is the distance? 200, length of the train plus length of the platform. Length of the platform by time 40. 240 plus 480 by 40, and next this is 720 by 40. 0, 0 cancel. 18 meters per second. Yes, that is the thing. Right. Option C. Next. The length of the train, length of the two trains is 5:3. Length of the two trains is 5:3. It means distance 5:3. The train 1 and train 2, like that. The ratio of their speeds is 6:5. 6:5 speeds. And what is the time taken by them to cross a pool? Time equals question mark. What is the time formula? Time is equals to distance by speed. What is the distance? 5 by 6 is to 3 by 5. Now cross multiply.
3 by 5.
Huh?
3 by 5.
3 by 5. 3 by 5. What is the next step?
25.
25 is to 5 into 5, 6 into 3. Can you simplify further? No chance. 25 is to 18. Option C is like that. Next. A person can walk a certain distance and drives back in 6 hours. He can also walk both ways in 10 hours. How much time will he take to drive both ways?
2 days.
A person can walk a certain distance and drive back in 6 hours. Let us say, this is the starting point. A person can walk a certain distance and drive back. So this is, you can take walking, drives back. This is the driving. Okay. Both walking plus driving takes 6 hours. So one walking plus one driving takes how many hours? 6 hours. Right. He can also walk both ways in 10 hours. So going also 2 walking equals to what? 10 hours. 10 hours. And how much time will it take to drive both ways?
2 hours.
Driving is equals to how much? Both the ways driving. It means 2D is a how much? Now we can see 6 hours, 10 hours you can understand. Here you can say 1 walking is equals to 10 by 2. 5 hours that is. So here 1 walking is 5 hours plus 1 hour. So this is 2 driving means 2 into 1, 2 hours. So like that, 2 hours. This is right. Next, a man running at 7 by 11 of its own speed reached a place in 22 hours. The time taken is 22 hours. Time taken is 22 hours. What is the speed? 7 by, this is the speed. 7 by 11 of its original speed of its, that is the original speed. But how much time could he save if he had run at a normal speed? Normal speed. Then what is the normal speed?
Original speed.
Normal speed or original speed is the same, no? Is question mark. What is the normal speed? What is the original usual speed? It's like that. Right. Now we can see again. See, time taken is already 22 hours. It means he has taken more time than how it is possible then? You can see 7 by 11. 7 by 11 is a proper fraction. Any proper fraction is less than 1. Any proper fraction is less than 1. So again you can see, for example, 1 by 4. This is equal to 0.25. It means originally what is less than 1. If you see 1, 3, any proper fraction is always less than 1. It's a property of the proper fractions. Like if you see 1 minus 1 by 4 means what is the balance? 3 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 3 means what? 2 by 3. Like 1 minus 3 by 4 means what? 1 by 4. So without doing LCM, we can arrive to the difference between the numerator and denominator can be done. Now you can say 1 minus 7 by 11. Difference between the numerator and denominator is what? 4. 4 by denominator can be, that is the thing. 7 by 11 plus 4 by 11 is equal to 1. So 4 by 7 has taken extra time. Now we can see the time speed is what?
Distance.
Because distance is not known. We don't know the distance. because distance is not there, it's not available. Only time is given, speed is given. Distance is not given because two things are we need. Distance question is not the distance. Question is what? Normal speed. Okay. Right. Now we can say 7 by 11. 7 by 11 is the speed. 7 by 11 is the speed. And what is the time taken? Reversing the fraction.
22.
Reversing the fraction. Time is taken 7 by 11. Time is taken 7 by 11. Did you understand? Should I explain little further here? This is. Should I explain this is? And see. Okay. Now if I look at it, speed and time interrelated. Even with this, we need to know this concept even for time and work also. Now we can see here, this is the time, this is the, even you can take, let us take, this is the distance, time. Instead of writing, you can write here, distance is to speed is to time. Let us keep these things. Distance, let the distance be 1 kilometer. Let distance be 1 kilometer. Okay, speed is also 1 kilometer per hour. Then time taken is what?
1 hour.
1 hour. Well known this is. Let the distance be 1 kilometer and speed is 1 kilometer per hour. Time taken is also 1 hour. Right. If let the distance be same only, so speed can be 2 kilometer per hour. Then what is the time taken?
30 minutes.
30 minutes, half an hour. Okay. Write in the fractions, right. Again, this is same. If it is a 4 kilometers per hour, time taken is what? 1 by 4 hour. 1/4 hour, right. Okay, next, here is half kilometer per hour speed. Then what happens? 2 hour, right. And 1/4 kilometer speed. 4 hours, right, and so on. Now let us see, put everything, convert into fractions only. 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 4 by 1, this is okay. 1 by 1, 4 by 1, 1 by 1, 1 by 1, okay, we don't understand anything from this. 2 by 1 is what? 1 by 2. 4 by 1 is 1 by 4. 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. 1 by 4, reverse, just gets reverses. It means higher the speed, lower the time. Lower the speed, higher the time. But if it is given in the fractions, you have to convert it. That's what we need to know. If the speed is less than the normal speed, any proper fraction is always less than the original value or less than the 1. 7 by 11. When it comes to the time, you have to 11 by 7. It means time is taken more, like that. Even between 7 and 11 difference is numerator difference 4 only. Even if you say 11 by 7, difference between numerator and denominator is 4 units only. It's like that. Yes. Now we can see speed. When speed is 7 by 11, the time taken is 11 by 7. That 11 by 7 time is taken 22 hours. Now cross multiply. Even 11 was 11, 11 2s are 2. 2 into 7, usual speed is 14 hours. Usual speed is 14 hours, but he has taken 22 hours. How much time can be saved? Therefore, 22 minus 14, so 8 hours can be saved. That's the option. That is the thing. Okay. Next, A man reduces speed by 2 by 3 and takes 1 hour more. Again, a man reduces speed to 2/3. Reduce the speed to 2 by 3 and 1 hour time is taken more to walk a certain distance. The time in hours to cover the distance at normal speed. What is the normal speed? Again, same only. It means what? So, his speed is what?
2 by 3.
Speed is 2 by 3.
Time is 3.
Then time is taken is 3 by 2. Right. 3 by 2. And time taken is what? 1 hour more. 1 hour more is taken. It means here 3 by 2, the normal time is what? -1. This is the improper fraction, more than 1. Right, what is the remaining then? Difference is 1 by 2. It means for 1 by 2 equals to that is 1 hour more it taken. So 1 into 2, normal speed is what? 2 hours. Is it right? That is something like, okay. Did I do that? What is the option given there?
The question is not.
You don't have that question.
I will check, sir.
Type is taken 3 by 2 minus 1 is okay. Minus.
Sir, if it is in improper fraction, then we should do -1.
Definitely, because that is more than 1.
If it is proper means no -1.
No minus, that is 1 minus any number to that matter. Because we take the original value is equal to 1 only. 2 hours. Fine, that is 2 is appropriate one. Yes. Now, you can see the 3 by 2 means 1.5 times is there. Right, that is the thing. Option 2, that is 1, 2. Next, if a train with a speed of 60 kilometers per hour crosses a pole in 30 seconds, the length of the train in meters is. So, what is being asked in the question? Length of the train, distance is being asked. Distance is equals to what? Speed into time. Speed into time. What is the speed given? 60 kilometers per hour into time is given 30 seconds. Then you have to change this. 60 kilometer per hour into time is what? 30 seconds. 30 seconds, right? Because this is given in seconds. This should be converted to the meters per second. You cannot do directly. Yes, 60 into 5 by 18 into 30 is what? This is the distance. And 6 3s are this is 6 5s are either 3 1s are 3 20s. 2 into 5, 10 into 5,
100,
like 25 into 2, 50. 50, one more 0. 500 meters. Option D. Option D this is. Next, a train running at 36 km per hour crosses a pole in 25 seconds. The length of the train is. What is length of the train? It means distance is to be known. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed into time. So 36 kilometers per hour. 36 kilometers per hour into crosses in 25 seconds. Next what? 36 into 5 by 18 into 25 is equals to what? So 18 ones 18 twos straight away it gets cancelled. 25 into 5 125 250. 250. Option A. Option A. Now, A train passes a standing man on a platform in 8 seconds and crosses the platform, which is 260 meters long, in 20 seconds. The length of the train is. So distance is being asked. Distance is being asked. Then what is the thing? Distance, speed into time. Speed into time. What is a speed? A train passes a man standing on a platform in 8 seconds and crosses the platform, which is 264 meters. Length of the platform is given. The length of the train is given. One distance is given 264 meters. It means platform length. That is also considered as a distance. And the length of the train is, we need to know. It means so, because length of the train, when the train is crossing the platform, you need to consider the distance of the train, length of the train and the length of the platform. So length of the distance is x train. This is 264 is equals to speed into time. Speed into time. Now speed, what is speed is given? Time is given 8 seconds. Length of the train, okay, all right. Speed we do not know. So stand at 8 seconds, 260 meters, 20 seconds. Time, there are 2 times are given. Crossing a man standing on the platform in 8 seconds and crossing the platform in 20 seconds. Difference you can take. 20 minus 8. Time can be taken 20 minus 8.
Right.
And speed we need to know. Speed we do not know here now. And first we have to find the speed. Crossing the platform, we leave it. And crossing the man you can take. What is the distance we can, even that also we cannot say that. What is now what we need to do now? We need to know the speed of the train. Okay. So in the speed formula, what we can take speed to know distance by time, distance by time.
Platform distance go to other time go to.
Yes.
264 by 20.
Yes. Now distance train we don't go. Length of the platform can be taken, alva? Distance length of the platform. It means the platform. Togolana. Let us take the platform. What is platform? 264 by 20. Now we can see like 4 5s 4 6 24 4 6 66 by 5. Let us take as it is only. Right now 66 by 5 into 12. How much it will happen now? 12 6 72, but still it is not. Some error is there. Where is that error now?
Sir, 20 minus 8
because difference you have to there are 2 times are given: standing a man on the platform and standing crossing the platform. Which is one we have to take now?
The man wherever he stands, we should.
Yes, it's a point. That's will get.
Starting point and ending.
Anywhere maybe, because standing man nothing. It's a pole like a pole.
If pole also given, we should.
Same only, that's all. Because 2 times are given. No? When you are talking about the one train, running train, 2 times are given now.
264 by 8.
I think that instead of taking 264 by 8, you can take 3. It simplifies, no? 24, 33. If you take 33.
33 into 12.
33 into we take 12. It means 396
minus 164.
Yeah, 396 it will come.
Minus.
But yes, x equals to 396 minus 264. Therefore 6 4 minus 2 3 132. No, somewhere it is what is the error? It should happen, no? The numbers are arrivals, again we cannot do this. A train passes a man standing on a platform 8 seconds. Fine. The length of the train speed is not known here. We cannot arrive to anything with the only time is taken, because distance of the train is not given and the speed is also not known. We don't.
264
And
by 12.
crosses the platform. Yes.
264 by 12.
264 by 12. Why we should do that is a platform which is 264 meters long in 20 seconds. Oh, that can be, okay, that was fine, you can see. But 20 only we have taken. 264 by, because, okay, if we take like this, so see that. 264 by 20 minus 8. 264 by 12. What will happen here?
Sir,
22.
22.
Is
Here
it-
we should take only 20, sir. Time should not take difference, sir.
Yes, 22. 22. What is
So
it?
22 into 20.
22 into?
20. Yes, sir. X plus 264 equals to.
Yes.
Speed is 22 now.
You just tell me, I keep writing it.
X plus 264 equals to speed into time.
Yeah, this is speed into time. Okay, yes.
Speed is 22.
22.
Then time is 20 seconds.
This is, or you can write straight away 264 by 12.
22 only, sir. Simplify.
Okay.
22 into time is 20 seconds.
20.
So 440.
Yes. This is 440. Yes.
440 minus 264.
440 minus 264.
176 meters. 176 meters.
176 meters. It's like 176. Option is what? B. Yes. Right. That's why we can do it like that. Okay. Or it takes time, that is. Yes, next one. A train crosses an 80-meter long platform in 30 seconds. If the speed of the train is 4 meters per second, what is the length of the train? What is the length of the train?
Now
Simple question. No? The speed into time. Distance is time. What is that 80-meter long platform? A train crosses an 80-meter long platform. Because length of the train we need to know. Length of the platform is given. Equals 4 meters per second
into 30.
30. The very simple one. 120
40
equals 120 minus 80
40.
40. So this is the answer. 40. Option A we can take. Right. A 220-meter long train crosses a 260-meter long platform in 24. What is the speed of the train in kilometers per hour? 220-meter long train crosses a 260-meter long platform. It means 220 plus 260.
480.
This is the distance is given by in 24 seconds. Then you will know the speed. Speed is the question mark. And now we can see 480 by 20 into then you have to convert into kilometers per hour. 18 by 5 by 18, 18 by 5. You will get kilometers per hour speed. Now we can 0 gets cancelled here. 2 ones are 2 9s you can take. And 48 into
72.
48 into 9 by 5. By 5. What is this? Is
Sir, 480 by 24, sir. Not 20.
no.
24.
Oh, 24 is there, huh? Yeah. So that's why I'm unable to this.
480 by 24.
Okay. 480
by 24.
by 24. That is very easy to.
Into 18 by 5.
Into 18 by 5. Yes, now it simplifies. 6 3s are 6 4s are 4 1 2 0. And this also can be simplified. 24 no? 72. 72. Option C. Yes. Now, a 150 meter long train passes a tree in 12 seconds. It will pass a tunnel in 250 meters long in. That's all. There is already one. You need to know the speed because this length of the train is what? 150 meter. What? Passes a tree in 12 seconds. In 12 seconds. Then what happens here? Distance is known, speed is known. Time is known. Speed can be known here. Speed. Then speed of the train is equal to what? Because distance is given, time is given, speed is known. So speed is what? 150 by 12. Right. It will pass a tunnel in how many seconds? Then time should be known here. Time is what? Distance by speed. So if you take the distance, length of the platform is what? 150 and length of the tunnel. No, length of the train. Both should be taken because tunnel is like a platform. Both are distances. So 150, length of the train is 150 plus length of the platform is what? 250. By same we can take this is 150 by 12. Like 400 by 150 by 12 means you can take reversing the fraction straight away. 12 by 150. You will get the speed. 0 or 0 gets cancelled. 5 3s and 5 8s. 3 1 3 4s. It means 12. So what is
Sorry, for the 32.
8 4s are 32. Yes, I am doing
Addition.
32. Option C. D. Yes, right, you can see. Now, a 120 meter long train running at a speed of 90 kilometers per hour, it will cross a railway platform 230 meters long. Same only, that is.
Speed
Yes, speed is already given there, 90 kilometers per hour. What is the distance? There are two distances, 120 plus
230.
230. This is the distance. Speed is given. 90 kilometers per hour into 5 by 18, you get meters per second. What is the time taken? Time is what? Distance by speed. What is the distance? 350 by say 90 into 5 by 18. So now you can straight even you can reduce the work cost straight away. You can. I mean nothing is there means what? 1 by 90 into 18 by 5. Finish. So and 0 and 0 gets cancelled.
9 ones are 9 twos are.
9 ones are 9 twos are 5 1 5 7. It means 14 seconds like that. Very simple things, that's all. Okay. A train runs at an average speed of 75 kilometers. If the distance is 1050 kilometers, how long will it take? Again, very simple one. This is what the total speed is given 75 kilometers per hour. Distance is given 1050 kilometers. What is the time taken in hours only? You have to, what is the time? Distance by speed. Distance is what? 1050 by 75. Multiples of 25. All are multiples of 25. 25 3s are, 25 4s are, 25 2s are. Even 4 plus 2 is 6. Multiples of 3. It means 4. It means what? 14 hours. Option 14 hours. That is the thing. Okay? Yes, right. Next, a car covers a distance of 448 kilometers in 28 hours. What is the average speed of the car? What is, that's all. and total distance is 448 in 28 hours. What is that? You will get the time, right? Multiples of speed is known.
Speed equals to
What is the speed in kilometers per hour? You will get speed, but this is also kilometer, this is also kilometers per hour. You will get in speed in per hour only. Is even questions we can see that.
same.
Both are multiples of 4. 4 sevens are 1 1 2. Now we can say 7 1 7 7 6 16 hours time, right? Like that. Convert speed of an object 36 kilometers per hour into meters per second. Conversion. So what is conversion? 36 into 5 by 18.
18 ones are 18.
18 ones are 18 twos. 10 meters per second. Now, a train running at the average speed of 30 kilometers per hour covers a distance in 6 hours. What is the speed of another train which covers the same distance in 5 hours? Okay. First, let us take about one train running at an average speed of 30 kilometers per hour. Covers a distance in 6 hours. Then distance is known. And another train covers the same distance. Same distance means what? 30 into 6 in 5 hours. Then what is the speed? You will get the speed of another train. It means 5 6 6 to 6 36 kilometer per hour. 36 kilometers per hour, like that. That's all. First one train covers at 30 kilometers per hour, covers the distance in 6 hours. Distance is known, 30 into 6. Same distance covered by another train in 5 hours, like that. Yes, next. The speeds of A and B are in the ratio 3:4. Speeds of A and B, speeds of 3 and B, speeds in B 3:4. A takes 20 minutes more than B. A takes 20 minutes more than B. This is the time. This is the time. Then B, to reach the destination. What time does A reach the destination? What is the time taken by A? This is the information from the question. Again, is a comparison. This is the time, and this is required even for efficiency of work, efficiency of time. Both are same formula only. Right. Now speed. Now this is, you have to convert into time. So now speed ratios is what? 3:4 means you can write 3 by 1 is to 4 by 1. You can convert into the natural numbers, reversing the ratios. Also you can take. Reversing the ratio just 4:3. There are only 2 ratios are given. But if there are more than 2, what you can do? Then you have to do the LCM basis. What is the LCM of 4 and 1? 4. Okay. No, not required. See. No, this is a speed of ratios time. Time ratios can be written as 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. Reversing the ratios. Reversing the ratio, you can take it, bring it to the denominator. Bring it to the denominator. Because this, otherwise this is in the like numerator places. This is yes, you can just reverse it. Okay. Now we can convert into the natural numbers. LCM of denominators. What is the LCM of denominators? 12. So 1 by 3 into 12 is to 1 by 4 into 12, and 4 is to 3. 4 is to 3. Reversing that. It means time ratios are 4:3. But who has taken more time? A has taken more. 20 minutes more than B is already there. It means How many ratios are more time taken? One ratio.
20.
In terms 20 minutes. It means one ratio
20 minutes.
one ratio is equal to 20 minutes. What is the total time taken by A? 4 into 2. Total time. Total time is what? 20 into 4. It means 80 minutes. 80 minutes. Options are in hours. Right. Yeah. 80 divided by 60. You will get into hours. 60 ones are 60. 20. And 20 by 30. 0 gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 threes are. It means 1 by 3. 1 by 3 hours. 1 by 3 hours. Like that. That's all. Okay. Right. A speed of 45 km is the same as conversion is required. 45 into 5 by 18. Now, say 45 what is speed into same as meters per second. Right, okay. 45 into 5 by 18. This is 1 plus 9, 8 is 9. Multiples of 9. 4 plus 5
3
is 9.
3 6
9 2s are 9. You can reduce the work. See, that's what I'm telling you. Otherwise, you will have many layers. No? 1 plus 8 is what? 9. Multiples of 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. Multiples of 9 2s are 9 5s are. And okay, 5 into 5 is what? 25. By 2, okay, you got it. 12.5. 12.5. Option A. You have to reduce the work. That is what. Yes, next. The car goes 10 meters per second. Find speed in kilometers per hour. So 10 meters per second into 5 by 18 by reversing the fraction. It goes to kilometers per hour. It means 10 into 18 by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are, that is 36 kilometers per hour. 36 kilometers per hour. Next, two persons start walking from a place in opposite direction at 3 kilometers per hour and 4 kilometers per hour respectively. How many kilometers will they be apart after 8 hours? So opposite direction, you have to take the sum of the speeds. Right, two person 1, let us take person opposite direction. Person 2, he comes like this, he walks like this, and this is 3 kilometers per hour. This person walks 4 kilometers per hour. Respectively, how many kilometers will they be apart after 8 hours? After 8 hours, because distance is asked. What is the distance formula is what? Speed into time. What is the speed? Sum of the opposite direction, sum of the speeds. Relative speed must be known. 3 plus 4 kilometers per hour into time is taken 8. 7 into 8. So therefore, they meet after 56 kilometers. Relative speed must be known. Be apart after 8 hours. 8 yes. Because per hour is they are traveling 7 kilometers.
Practically 3 kilometers per hour.
Yes.
After 8 hours.
This is for 1 hour. See.
Otherwise, 8 trees are 24. 24 kilometers, P1 will travel.
Yeah, like we'll put like this. This is the first hour, second hour, third hour, fourth hour, fifth hour, sixth hour, seventh hour, 8th hour you can take. If you say he walks 3 kilometers, he weeks 3 it will come.
And 8 trees are 24.
But he walks 4. Yes.
He travels 24 kilometers. He travels for 32 kilometers.
Yes.
Between them, 8 kilometers will be the distance.
Yes.
Sir.
But question is what? It's not between. Only how much They walk.
How many kilometers will be apart? Apart means
there is a big distance is there.
Sir.
There is a big distance.
Sir, this 56 is both of them travel 56 kilometers.
Yes, together.
Together, but they are asking apart.
Yes.
What is the distance between them?
These two people.
8, no sir.
No, distance is not given. We cannot arrive to that one. We cannot arrive because distance is not given. Only thing is what is the distance they covered.
So then they should ask like how many kilometers they traveled.
If they think like that, between is not their word. Here the word apart means what? Totally how much they travel.
Apart means total.
That's all.
Not between.
No, between in the again then the distance is required. See, for example, like the total distance is 100 kilometers from 2 points. So what will be the distance between two people? That can be an. Otherwise, what is the remaining distance has to be covered by both the people. That it strikes like them, but distance is not given. So the between is also not there. When the between comes means you cannot see. Even you can see what is the distance between two people also you can say like that. But distance is not given the question. Only thing is what is they are covering. 8 hours apart means that's all. After 8 hours where they would be. Okay, that's a 56 is right. Yes, next one. Two persons start walking from a place in opposite direction at 5 kilometers per hour and 4 kilometers per hour respectively. After how many hours will they be 45 kilometers above? But distance is given here. Total distance is given, but speeds are given. That is in the relative speed. Time is being asked. So what is the time? Distance by speed. What is the distance? 45 kilometers. 45 kilometers apart. Again is the same thing. Apart. Distance is in the opposite directions. No? 5 plus 4. 9. And see that 45 by 9. It means 5 hours. 5 hours. It's like that. Right. Now convert speed 20 meters per second into kilometer per hour. Convert 20 meters into meters per hour. It means what? 20 into 18 by 5. 72 kilometer per hour. 72, of course, this answer 72 kilometer per hour is the answer. Right. Two persons start walking in the same direction at 5 km per hour and 4 km per hour respectively. In how many hours will they be 45 kilometers apart?
45 hours.
45, yes, 45. Got it. No? That is, what is the distance given? 45 by 5 plus 4.
Minus 4.
5 minus, same direction. No? Same direction. It means 45 minus 1. So time taken is what? 45 hours. Option D. Because for you in CSAT what happens, most of the questions being converted to the statement 1, statement 2. That's why we need to basic structure also here. Now, and anyway, after 2-3 days we'll come back to the original questions which was for CSAT, that is. A train leaves station A towards B at a speed of 80 km per hour. After 3 hours, another train leaves station A at an average speed of something. Find the distance from station A. Again, you can see that. There are 2 stations you can take. This is the A. Let us keep A.
B.
This is the B. And station A train A, like train. Like train X, let us say, train X leaves station A towards B at an average speed of 80 km per hour. Okay, we can write here 80 km per hour. Right. After 3 hours, and what is the time? We do not know. Let us, you can say this is a 0 hour. Okay. After 3 hours plus 3 even hours, another train leaves at Ty, let us, okay, Ty consider at 110 kilometer per hour. Find the distance from station A to the train's mate. It means a train leaves at a certain time at 80 kilometers per hour. Another train starts from the same point at the speed of where the trains meet. Definitely second train must increase its speed to cover the distance. What is the distance increased here? 30 kilometers per hour. So speed is increased by 30 kilometers per hour. And now what is given here? For after 3 hours, 3 hours he has to make up the speed. What is the distance between the two trains? 3 hours. This is the distance between difference between the time.
Difference of
And speed is 3 into 30. This 90 kilometers has to be done. How it has to be covered then? Instead of writing like this, okay, and you do like that, because it starts at 0 hour, it starts after 3 hours. By the time 3 hours the train, another train starts here, what is the distance would have been covered by the first train? What is the distance would have been covered?
3 hours.
For 3 hours, because this starts at 0 hour. After 3 hours, but 3 hours this train here, this train already covers 80 into 3. The train is here. This difference of distance has to be covered by this train. What is the distance? 80 into 3 is covered. What is the excess speed? Difference of increased speed? 30. You have to cover. Number of you will get 240 by 30. It means 8 hours. It means this train into 110 into 8 hours. It was 880. At 880 kilometer, they meet the train system. What is the distance covered by the train, first train, divided by difference in the speed of the second train? So you will get to number of hours it has to travel.
If they ask time after what time they will meet, means after 8 hours they will meet.
Yeah, the man will start immediately after this another few minutes. Yes.
If they ask time means 8 hours.
8 hours.
After what time they will meet means after 8 hours.
The second train covers 8 hours.
Yes, sir.
The first train is traveled for 11 hours.
Yes, sir. Okay. With respect to
The difference between the two trains is 3 hours. Second trains covers 8 hours. The first train covered 11 hours. 11 hours. It's like that.
They can ask question with respect to train A also, train B also.
Yes, it can be like that. Names can be changed also. A man goes to a place at an average speed of 10 kilometers per hour and then returns at the average speed of 15 kilometers per hour. Find the average speed during the whole journey. A man goes to a certain place at the average speed of 10 kilometers per hour and then returns at the average speed of 15 kilometers per hour. Find the average speed. Okay. So while going it is 10 kilometers per hour. Returning at 15 kilometers per hour. What is average? 2xy by x plus y. 2 into 10 into 15 by x plus y. 10 plus 15. 15. So what? 2 into 10 into 15 by x plus y is 25. You can simplify it. 5 3s are 5 5s are 5 1s are 5 2s are 24. 12 kilometers
Per hour.
per hour. Right, this is 2xy by x plus y. Now, a man goes to his office at the speed of 8 kilometers per hour and returns at the speed of 12 kilometers per hour. If it takes 10 hours in all, find the total distance covered by him. Anyway, so normally distance is equal to speed into time will take, right? A man goes to his office at the speed of 8 kilometers per hour. Okay, this is the home, this is the office. While going 8 kilometers per hour, while returning is 12 kilometers per hour. Okay, if the total times taken is what? 10 hours. 10 hours. Yes. However, then there are two equal distances with two different speeds. Speed is what? 2xy by x plus y into time into 10. You have to take. Now, so 2 into 8 into 12 by 20 into 10. You will get the average. Yes. Total distance is known. 2 ones are 2 tens are 10 and 10 gets cancelled here. 96. Total distance covered by this 90. Total distance while going also, while coming. Sometimes they ask one single, what is the distance between home and office? By 2 you have to do. Yes. Next, a man goes to his office at the speed of 5 kilometers per hour and returns at the speed of 20 kilometers per hour. If it takes 4 hours in all, the distance between the resident and the office, same formula, 1 divided by 2. It's like 2xy by x plus y into time and then divided by into half. You will get the distance between home to office. So 2 into 5 into 20 by 25 into total time taken is what? 4 hours into half is what? Now we can see 5 ones are 5 5s, 5 ones are 5 4s, 2 and 2 gets cancelled here, 16. It is 16. Option A, right? Okay. Yes, that is the thing. You read the question. If I walk at 4 kilometers per hour, I reach office 5 minutes late, and if I walk at 5 kilometers per hour, I reach office 10 minutes late. How far? This is again is a theorem based question. This is because at certain speed, see, at 4 kilometers per hour, 5 minutes late. If I walk at 5 kilometers per hour, this is early. So when these two things, at certain speed is late, at a certain speed is reaching early. So this you have to apply this, the multiplication of speeds. Multiplication of speeds by difference of speeds. Multiplication of speeds is what? 4 into 5 by difference of speeds is what? 1. But what any time is given? Nothing is given. Okay. Yeah, 20 is right. Late, if I walk 5, I reach office 10 minutes late. How far my office is? Like you can take, what is it? Walk at 4 kilometers per hour, I reach office 5 minutes late. And if I walk at 5 kilometers per hour, I reach office 10 minutes late. How far is my office? You will get different speeds into time. No, you cannot take, that's why. Because again it's a theorem based question. Yeah, we covered in the next session. They must be also waiting like that. Okay, the 2-3 questions we'll do. So we'll do tomorrow this is. Okay.